nice and secure. How cool is that? It's now in place and ready to go. So we are going to test the G2RISE mask out. I love these single piece masks, but this year, this is an extra hard test. Are you curious why? It's not because there's something special about this water. It's because I've got a full beard, right? A full beard is a real test to see how the seal is on this. A couple things I wanted to show you real quick. Look, you see how nicely this folds up so you can travel with it? It comes with a cool bag. The bag has a barcode on it, so I can't have it on camera, but it's a cool mesh bag that it comes with, and it folds up so nice and neat when you want to use it. And fold it, latch it like that, nice and secure. How cool is that? It's now in place and ready to go. So I'm gonna do a little snorkeling with it. We're gonna see how it works, test it out. I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see if the seal works even with a full beard. Obviously it won't. It can't possibly work perfectly with a full beard, but this is a real good test. If it works pretty well with a full beard, if you would not have a full beard, you know this is gonna be rock solid. So let's give it a shot. I think we should get around with the scooter as a real test. Oh, that is so fun. That was just the short loop just to show you real quick. I've actually been using this for about an hour out here. And as you can see, it is still really good. Has totally exceeded any expectation that I had with the full beard on it. And the visibility is amazing down there in the pool, right? Like it's just like 360 degrees. You can fully see with full face mask. So if you are looking for a full face snorkel mask like this is so fun. Okay, I need to go play some more because it's so cool just to scoot around there, come up a little bit like a little snorkel, like on a submarine, and you like kind of move along, get a good breath, you go back down. This thing is perfect. All right. Overall, this thing is ridiculously cool. If you want to get one, there's a link right here under the screen. You can use that, or worst case, it's in the description. If you use it, it helps out the channel a little bit. Doesn't cost you any extra money, so we appreciate that. We'll say thank you in advance. Remember to like, subscribe. Let us know how you're going to use this. And then finally, you need to know there will be another video, because as fun as this is in the pool, I just need the ocean to get a little bit warmer, and then we're going out doing some real snorkeling with the big fish. So watch for that video in the future. An extra reason why you should subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.